wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE. And listen, honey, come here. Come. A little bit more. Closer. Yes. I have a system for everybody that's color treated and worried about your hair being damaged, dry, or brittle. This is for you. Y'all see my hair. Like, you see it. It's popping. And this is a twist out. That's it. So I'm going to go through a full wash day routine specifically for color treated hair. But if you have thin, heat damage, breakage, any of those things, you'll benefit from this too. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. It's wash day. As you can tell, I've had this puff in for a couple of days. And my edge control has really kind of caked up around the edges. I need to cleanse it. It is what it is. But I do go through a slightly different process with my color treated hair. What color tends to do is it will essentially break down the strands of the hair because it's a chemical being applied to the hair to lighten it. We understand that. We get it. But how do you build those strands back up? Start off with a pre-treatment to really nourish this. All of this, because we don't want it to fall out. This is the rescuer. Hence the name. Is going to rescue the strands of your hair. It is a Dark and Lovely damage layer pre-treatment. And it bonds the hair back together. So let's release it and apply. Now with the damage layer products, you don't necessarily have to just use them for color treated hair. You can use them for hair that has been heat damaged. Transitioning hair, because you know right in between where the hair is straight and natural, it tends to be a little bit weaker. You can bond that back together. Definitely use it for breakage or even relaxed hair. So I'm not discriminating, even though I'm not the hugest fan of relaxers, because they do tend to thin your hair out. You can still use this. So I'm going to wet my hair, apply this, and we leave this on for 5 minutes and then rinse it out. So it's not adding like this tremendous amount of time to your wash day. My hair is wet. It's time to apply. So I'm literally just taking this and applying it all over. And then if there are any strands that I didn't touch, I will go back in and add more. My hair is essentially only color treated on the end, so I'm primarily going to focus on that. I'm setting my timer for 5 minutes and then we're going to rinse and move on to shampoo. Now it's time for shampoo. This is literally my favorite step in the wash day process because I absolutely love clean hair. I am using a Restore shampoo. Definitely make sure that you use a shampoo that is color safe and gentle enough to not actually strip the color from your hair, because if not, you'll completely defeat the purpose. As far as color goes, it's almost the opposite of conditioner. It really needs to be focused on the scalp and not so much so on the ends. I love a shampoo that has a good lather. Ooh, and when you can hear it, just massage your scalp with your fingertips. And as you can see, I'm pretty much avoiding the ends of my hair. And so I'm going to work this in for about 2 or 3 minutes and then rinse it out so that we can condition. Me being bougie on wash day. Because one day somebody will just come in and wash my hair for me. But until then, let's condition. For conditioner, I have 2 options. I can either use the steam conditioning mask or the strengthener conditioner. If time is on your side, always opt for a mask. If it's not, definitely don't skip conditioning. Just go with your normal weekly conditioner. Because I'm not pressed, the mask it is. Just grab a nice healthy amount and try to saturate the hair. For conditioner, you focus it on the ends and not on the scalp. It doesn't mean that it can't touch the scalp, you know. It just shouldn't be the focus. The best way to really get the moisture is to apply a shower cap. We're actually only going to let this sit for about 15 minutes, rinse it out, and proceed to styling. I am thinking that I'm in the mood for a twist out because I haven't done one in a really long time. Moving on, conditioner has been rinsed, so we're going to move on to the actual styling process. Next up is the protector. This is a leave-in spray by the Dark and Lovely Damage Layer Collection. And it comes in an easy spray bottle. So I'm going to go ham with it. Pump it up. It's definitely lightweight enough so that any hair texture can use it and it won't feel heavy or weighed down. For styling, let's just get into this twist and curl. I'm going to do medium-sized sections, detangling from the ends, apply a bit of product, and then 2-strand twist it. Good morning, we are back. My hair has dried overnight. I did a twist out. I haven't done one in a while, but it's looking like it's going to pop. I let my hair dry overnight, so we're going to proceed to take this down and style. I'm going to grab the half of hair that was released, and where it naturally separates, I am just going to ever so slightly pull it apart like that. I'm primarily pulling it apart from the roots because I don't want the sections to get frizzy. One side is done. It hasn't even been picked. It's looking good. So we're going to do the other side. I'm pretty sure that I've separated every twisted section, and low-key, I could stop right here. However, look who you're talking to. We're not going to stop. Can't stop, won't stop. We're just going to do a light fluff. Like a very, very light fluff. Purple pick, let's go. Now that I've gently picked it, y'all see, I'm just going to shape it, and we might be done. I grabbed some jam and we're going to do these edges. This is the extra hold. It will also keep the hair super shiny. This is the look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial on really taking care of your color treated hair. If you don't pick up anything, pick up the Dark and Lovely Damage Slayer #1, the Rescuer. This is going to really help bond your strands back together. Trust me, you need this. So I wanted to thank you loves for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button for weekly uploads. Also check the description bar below because I will have everything linked down there. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.